Yes, the view is incredible. Ocean, city, and mountains.
Welcome to Lingo Ladder. Today, we're heading to beautiful Rio de Janeiro. Join Anna and Lucas as they explore the city, its people, and fun cultural facts. All in real English.
Wow, this beach is beautiful. Is this Copacabana?
Yes, welcome to Rio. This is one of the most famous beaches in the world.
It's even more amazing than in the photos.
I'm glad you like it. Is this your first time in Brazil?
Yes, I arrived yesterday. I'm from the US.
Nice, I'm Lucas, born and raised in Rio.
Hi, Lucas. I'm Anna. Thanks for talking to me. I don't know anyone here.
No problem. People here are friendly. You'll make friends fast.
I already feel welcome. Everyone smiles a lot.
That's how we are. Relaxed, warm, and loud.
I love that. So, is it always this sunny?
Almost. We have tropical weather, hot and humid most of the year.
That's perfect. I escaped the cold back home.
Good choice. Winter here is more like spring in many places.
And this beach, it's full of life, music, people, colors.
Rio is all about energy, especially during Carnival.
Oh yes, the carnival. Is it really that crazy?
Absolutely. Streets become dance floors, music everywhere.
Sounds like a dream. When does it usually happen?
February or March, depending on the year.
Too bad I missed it. Maybe next time.
You must come back for it. It's unforgettable.
Are the costumes really that fancy?
Totally. Feathers, glitter, and huge parades.
And do people rehearse for it?
Some practice all year. Samba schools take it seriously.
Samba schools? That sounds fun.
There are big groups that compete during Carnival. Huge pride for each neighborhood.
That's amazing. So it's more than just a party.
Exactly. It's art, culture, and passion.
I can feel that passion already, even just walking around.
That's Rio for you, always moving.
Do you live close to this beach?
Yes, about 10 minutes by bike.
Lucky you. I'd be here every day.
It's part of my routine, swimming, football, and music.
You play football?
Of course, it's almost a rule here.
I guess Brazil lives and breathes football.
Totally. Even little kids play barefoot in the streets.
Who's your favorite team?
Flamengo. Best team in Rio. Don't tell the others I said that.
Ha ha ha. Got it. Are matches here crowded?
Very. The stadium atmosphere is electric.
I wish I could see a match.
You still can. There's one this weekend.
I might go. Is it safe?
Just stay in the fan sections and go with the local. You'll be fine.
Thanks for the tip. And is the city safe in general?
Some areas are safer than others. Like any big city, you just need to be careful.
Makes sense. I've felt okay so far.
That's good. Stay in tourist zones and you'll enjoy it.
I'm also surprised by how many people speak English here.
Mostly in tourist spots. But knowing a little Portuguese helps.
I'm trying. I can say obrigada.
Perfect start. Try bom dia too. It means good morning.
Bom dia, did I say it right?
Pretty good. You've got the vibe.
I love learning languages through travel.
It's the best way. Real people, real words.
What else should I see in Rio?
Definitely go to Sugarloaf Mountain.
That's the one with the cable cars, right?
Yes, the view is incredible. Ocean, city, and mountains.
Can you see the Christ statue from there?
You can see everything. Rio is like a postcard.
I've also heard about Lapa.
Ah, yes. Lapa is for music and nightlife. Very lively.
Sounds fun. Is it okay for solo tourists?
Go in groups and avoid very late hours. Then it's amazing.
Got it. And what's the official language again?
Portuguese. Brazilian Portuguese is a bit different from Portugal's.
I didn't know that. Like different words?
Yes, and different accents too.
What do you call a bus in Portuguese?
We say onibus.
That's fun to say. Onibus.
You're a natural already.
Ha ha ha, I'm trying my best.
You're doing great. Most Brazilians appreciate any effort.
Thanks. People here really are kind.
We love talking and helping, sometimes too much.
Better than too little, trust me.
True. Where are you staying in the city?
Near Ipanema. It's quieter than here.
Good choice. Still beautiful, but more chill.
Are there any markets or local shops nearby?
Yes, you'll find street markets every weekend. Great for souvenirs.
Awesome. I love local stuff.
Then don't miss the hippie market on Sunday.
Thanks, I'll check it out.
You're welcome. Anything else you're curious about?
Just one more thing. Is it always this happy here?
Not always, but we try to stay positive, even when things are hard.
That's beautiful. I'll take some of that spirit home with me.
Spread the energy.
Thanks for the great chat, Lucas. I learned a lot today.
Me too. It was fun talking with you.
I hope we meet again, maybe at a football match?
Deal. Just don't cheer for the other team.
Ready for the quiz? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice.
1. What country is Rio de Janeiro located in?
Correct answer is Brazil.
2. What is the official language of Brazil?
Correct answer is Portuguese.
3. What is the name of the famous beach in Rio that Anna visited?
Correct answer is Copacabana.
4. What kind of weather does Rio have most of the year?
Correct answer is hot and humid.
5. What major cultural event happens every year in Rio?
Correct answer is Carnival.
6. What is the name of the tall mountain with cable cars in Rio?
Correct answer is Sugarloaf Mountain.
7. What is the large statue overlooking Rio called?
Correct answer is Christ the Redeemer.
8. What popular sport is a huge part of Brazilian culture?
Correct answer is football.
9. What is the capital city of Brazil?
Correct answer is Brasilia.
10. What is the local currency in Brazil?
Correct answer is C. Now it's your turn to speak. Share your answers below in the comments. 1. What's your dream travel destination? Is it Brazil, Canada, Japan, or somewhere else? Let us know where and why. 2. Can you say something in Portuguese? Try writing a simple word or phrase like bom dia, good morning, or obrigado a, thank you. Don't worry, mistakes are welcome here. 3. What do you think makes a city feel alive? Music, weather, friendly people? Tell us what brings a city to life in your eyes. Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon!